Increase gaming performance by boosting your network connection using OMEN Command Center on your HP OMEN gaming computer. In Windows on your OMEN computer, click the Start button. Type OMEN Command Center and select it from the results. In the left navigation bar of OMEN Command Center, click Network Booster. Network Booster balances your network bandwidth so priority is given to active video games and applications. Network Booster has three modes: Off, Auto, and Custom. With Network Booster off, network bandwidth, traffic, and prioritization defaults to Windows settings. View detailed network traffic for all running applications in the Total Network Bandwidth Usage section. Select Auto to assign a higher network priority for active games and applications, and a lower priority for all other applications. Select Custom to set the priority of each running application, and block applications you do not want prioritized. Activate Dual Force to enable simultaneous Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections. Active games and applications are assigned to Ethernet, and all other programs are assigned to Wi-Fi. Click the Settings tab. To manually assign a specific priority level to either an Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, disable Dual Force and then move the slider next to each priority. With all Network Booster settings adjusted, exit OMEN Command Center and resume gaming.